Hi and welcome to today's quick video of making the condensed milk toffee. So to do it, I have my condensed milk here, my cinnamon, nutmeg, and I'm going to go ahead and open my condensed milk. So now that is my condensed milk is open now, I'm going to drop a tablespoonful of olive oil. Pour my condensed milk. Get the fire up a bit. And then go ahead. Half a teaspoonful of nutmeg. And then a drop of cinnamon. Just a drop of it. And I want to go ahead and give it a good mix. So welcome to today's video. It's just a quick one. I'm making the caramelized condensed milk toffee. Kids are home. The weather is getting hot. I need something to nibble on. I'm going to increase the fire to 9. So at this point, the stirring becomes slow. It's going to get faster when it begins to fry and start getting hard and forming the sweets. So welcome once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And thank you for watching. So as you can see, it's getting thick now. From here, go to fasten your stirring to avoid it from getting lumpy and burning on different sides. I've just been a little naughty today, guys. A little bit naughty. Having some sweets in our system. Homemade sweet though, homemade sweet. So this is the condensed milk toffee for the upcoming summer weather. So you're going to get it turned like this so it becomes properly caramelized. So golden brown kind of look and thick enough to form the toffee. So you go into it so the color is completely changed and ready to be molded into any shape you want. So still in the process, getting darker and thicker and getting ready to form the beautiful condensed milk toffee or sweet. So this is the kind of look we want. I'm now going to go ahead and mold our caramelized milk into a beautiful toffee. On a clean wet top, you spread some olive oil there. Put some on your rolling pin. Get the rolling pin in there. This wet top is neatly cleaned. You can do on a chopping board, but I prefer to do it here because of the space I have. You drop your caramelized sweetie on there. Now go ahead and form a beautiful mold. The dark brown patches are because that's how I stayed in the frying pan before I put it on the wet top. for the mold any size you want it. This is the thickness I want. Now go ahead and make your cut. Guys, this is really hot, so you better be careful. You better be careful of taking this out. I'm going to get oil on the knife. Put some oil on the tip of the knife so the cutting becomes easier. So go ahead and cut it. Go in it. Give it another cut. There's no formula to this, guys. No formula at all. Anyhow you want it. Spread oil on the tips again. And then go in and give it a cut. Here we are with our condensed milk toffee. I told you guys, a very quick sweetie for the kids. They will just love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful for a relaxing afternoon. So thank you so much for watching today's video on the caramelized condensed milk toffee on Sandra Can Cook. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.